Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'll show you how to disable or enable data roaming on the Honor Magic7 Pro. The Honor Magic7 Pro is a very fast and responsive smartphone which you might want to take with you travelling, especially because of the cameras on the back. The easiest way to switch data roaming off or on is to start by pulling down on the right hand side of the screen from the top, tap on the settings cog at the top right of the control center, go into the mobile network settings, from mobile network settings go into mobile data, and you'll have a toggle for data roaming. You can just tap that and that will turn data roaming off. Likewise, if you want to switch data roaming on the device, it's as simple as pulling down the control center from the right hand side of your screen, tap on the settings button, go to mobile network, mobile data, and tap that data roaming option. That will allow you to set that up. You get a little warning note saying that roaming services may generate additional usage fees. Just be aware of that. And there we go. So I've enabled data roaming. So pretty simple tutorial. If you would like to have a little bit more of a clarification on what you've just seen, if you'd like to know more, feel free to leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. As usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.